Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh everyone. I hope you are doing very well. I have designed this website as an assignment for eRozgar. This was the desired website. Let me open the website. Yes, this one. I have tried my best to copy it, even though I have not used all the images in the website because my concern was not to design the website, but my concern was to design the layout. Let me show you the website. This is the website. This is the top bar. Here you can see. Let me show you. Yes, this is it. Contains some email IDs, some phone numbers, location. Means this is an icon box with some text, and I have used icon box here. As you can see, this is social icons, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and you can see that I have used the same. And there is a button, make a donation, and I have also created a button. So in the next row, as you can see, there is a logo and a menu bar, navigation bar, and I have done the same. This is the logo and this is the navigation bar, and the navigation bar style is same as this one, as you can see. Okay, in the next there is a slider, and I have used a slider, this one, as you can see. This is a slider in the main page, and I hope that this slider is designed with revolution slider, so I have not wasted too much time to design this slider because I was not going to do a complete project. It was just a demo. So in the next there are three columns, as you can see in the website. Yes, there are three columns, some text heading and some paragraph text in the first column, and that's what I have done. And there's a button in the last. Okay, this is the button, join us today. And this is a design. I have designed this using a heading and a paragraph. This is a heading and this one is a paragraph, and this is the entire section which I have designed. And I have put radius to make the borders round, corners round. Okay, and then I copied the same style. In the next column there is an image and a video, and I have also added an image and a video, even if the video is a placeholder. In the next, I have designed this flip box, as you can see in the main website. This one, this is the flip box, and I have designed the same, as you can see. Even the colors are different. There is a heading, as you can see, this one, and there are two columns containing a header and some text. So I have designed a column and a text and a button in the last, as you can see here, deliver now button. And there's a button for all campaigns. I think I have not designed, but it is simple. In the next, we have chosen two columns, one for this text and one for the icon box. If we had these icons, we have to use icon box, but I didn't had these images. For this purpose I have used image box, and I have just saved one of these icons, and then I have used that in the image box, as you can see here. And in this column I have used a section, of two columns, and I have designed it and then copied the entire section. Here is the result. In the last, I have added a heading and some text with a button. As you can see here, I forgot to change the text color, and in the last there is an image, and I have used this one. As you can see, this is the entire website that I have designed using Elementor Pro. I hope you enjoy this. Thank you so much.